great scheme of things. Okay, now I got to mark it up again. All right. Yes, you know. Okay. All right. Okay. One second. Just starting today. In fact, week from today. In fact, I might mark my tools. Okay, Ms. Young is here. She is 28 years of age. She is single. She has one child. She's here on case number 07CR0194, State of Ohio versus Lisa Young. With the record reflect that Ms. Young is represented by Mr. Bowers. State of Ohio is represented by Mr. Razavi. She is here on one count of possession of drugs. She has served 61 days in jail as of today. As an adult, she had trafficking in drugs. She had a drug abuse out of Akron Municipal Court. She had trafficking in drugs out of Wayne County Court, and she apparently, they issued a capias for her, and they're going to bring her in for a probation violation hearing. In Wadsworth, she had a falsification of obstructing justice. In this case, she has a possession of drugs, and a DOS has been issued for her. A driving under suspension capias for driving under suspension has been issued for her out of Wayne County. She has pending probation violations in Wayne County Municipal and Wayne County Common Pleas. Okay. All right. State of Ohio, make elocution.
Your Honor, based upon the prior case of trafficking in drugs, and apparently now looking at the PSI, it doesn't appear that she's had success reporting while on probation in Wayne County, and her other difficulties and warrants out of some of the municipal courts in the area. The state doesn't believe she's going to be a good candidate for community control. We'd recommend a 6 months prison sentence.
All right. And Mr. Bowers.
May it please the Court, Your Honor, Mr. Rasavi. I can understand the prosecutor's recommendation, Your Honor. I would just indicate to this, I had an opportunity to read the PSI. I found that to be accurate. My clients indicated to me that over a short period of time, her life has basically spiraled out of control, is about the best way to describe it. And we'd respectfully ask the Court to consider CBCF in Akron, Ohio, for her due to these various things the Court's rating and that and her involvement with drugs. Thank you very much.
All right. And anything further from Ms. Young?
No, Your Honor.
Well, she has credit for 61 days credit. If I sentence her to a 6-month prison sentence, credit for 61, is she still eligible for the intensive prison program, or does she have to be there for a 6-month commitment there? All right. I'm going to sentence her to an 8-month prison sentence, credit for 61 days served. I'm going to declare her to be eligible for the IPP program. If she's taken into that program, then she will be released early and be subject to the control of the parole authority. And her license is suspended for a period of 6 months. If you serve the full 8-month prison sentence, all court costs are waived. If you've served the full 8-month prison sentence, when you're released from that, the state of Ohio could but does not have to put you on what's called post-release control, which means for a 3-year period following your release from prison, if you were to commit another offense or violate certain rules and regulations of the Adult Parole Authority, they could put you back into prison for up to 1/2 the time I gave you, independent of, in addition to any other penalties. Do you understand all that? Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.